I'm sitting here behind Dana's brand spanking new 2024 K5. After a few discussions, we decided that we would take the Kia badge off the car. Not embarrassed about Kia, they make a fantastic car. How can you complain about a 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty? Really. But anyway, we decided we'd take them off. There's a couple reasons for that, which I'll share with you some other time. And I was a little concerned because I know they're just stick-on badges. This particular one, there's no bolts or screws, just stick-on. So they got to stick off, right? They got to stick on, pull off type thing. But how to do that without damaging the finish, because I'm a little bit fussy. No, that's not true. I'm really fussy. So I was asking around and mentioning to people, and some guy said to me, "Alec, you know what the experts do?" I said, "No, tell me what the experts do so I can do it and be an expert." And he said, "To use fishing line." I said, "What are you talking about, fishing line?" He says, "Just take a piece of strong fishing line and put it behind the badge, carefully pull, work it back and forth, and then watch." Dan, zoom in here. You see it moving down? I didn't know if it should be super strong fishing line, extra thick, extra thin, or what. Using Diana's fishing line, working it back and forth and pulling on it. And you'll notice, by the way, that I parked the car, the badge, in the sunlight. I didn't think it would hurt for it to be warm. Look at that. I think it would hurt one little bit for it to get warm. I'm going to take a little scrap off the ground here, and I don't know if this is doing any good, but I don't think it can hurt. Slide that in there like that, and away we go. I'll be down here in a minute, clean up the little bit of residue on there with some acetone, some alcohol, something like that, buff it a little bit, shine it, and it's done. You want to remove stick-on badge on your car, motorcycle, ATV, whatever, get some fishing line. Seems to be working really well here. I'll be done in a few minutes. Take care, Alec Peirce at the wrench.